As dying waves from the Arabian Sea touch the golden sands of Seaview flooded by sunlight, Karachites converged there to witness aerial display of Sinopec JF-17 Thunder to be flown by squadron leader Zishan of PAF 16th Squadron, and British Aerospace Hawk T-1 to be flown by pilots of legendary Royal Air Forces aerobatics team, the Red Arrows. Those present on the occasion included Pakistani, British military officers, diplomats, politicians and media personnel. Talking to News Pakistan TV, supervisor of the Red Arrows aerobatic team, squadron leader Mike Ling said that their visit marked the 70th anniversary of Pak-UK relations. Mark Ling noted that joint aerial display by JF Thunder and Hawk T-1 manifested the profundity of friendship between two countries. Mike Ling and his team took to the air, flying 300 meters apart at a speed of 700 kilometers per hour. The Wall to 9 Arrows formation was followed by Phoenix that was led by Toby Kelly. A Spitfire roll at 2,500 feet was the next maneuver. After impressive displays like Tornado, Concord led by Chris Lyndon Smith, Diamond Roll and Init, 6G Jaipur Pass was performed at the speed of 1400 kilometers per hour. Then came Cyclone to Slingshot, Hurricane, Python, 5G Jaipur Break, Carousel, and finally Infinite Break. Commander Southern Command Air Vice Marshal Mohammad Asif Paracha and British High Commissioner Thomas Drew addressed the audience. Souvenirs were presented on the occasion.